Hello, moneymakers. There's a brand new niche on YouTube that's quietly going viral, but most people haven't even noticed it yet. I came across a few faceless channels that started just a few months back. No face, no voice, and no fancy editing. Still, they've gained thousands of subscribers in record time. And yes, they're already monetized and earning consistently. Now you must be thinking, what niche are we talking about? It's called old age wisdom. As the name suggests, it's all about creating simple, helpful, and positive content for older people. From life tips to health advice, from daily motivation to peaceful stories, the content is soothing, respectful, and surprisingly powerful. At first, even I thought, who's going to watch this stuff? But then I saw the numbers. These videos are just a few weeks old and already crossing thousands of views. And the channels are growing super fast, without any face reveal, without even speaking a word. So now the big question is, should you start a channel in this niche? Absolutely yes. This niche is fully AI friendly. You don't need to show your face. You don't need to record your voice. And the best part? Content is easy to find and easy to create. Even if you're a complete beginner, you can make videos in this niche. In this video, I'll show you everything. From what kind of topics to cover, to how to make these videos using AI tools, to how these creators are making real money. So grab a glass of lemonade and stay with me till the end. Because this might just be your shortcut to building a faceless channel that actually works. Let's dive in. Alright, so first we need to understand what kind of video topics these channels are making and what their main focus is, so that we can follow the same strategy they use. Alright, to do that you need to go to ChatGPT and give it this prompt. Analyze this YouTube channel. What kind of content and stories are they making, and how it's completely automated through AI, as they don't show their face or use their actual voice in the channel. You'll get this full prompt if you join my Telegram or WhatsApp channel. The link is given below in the description. Now you have to go to those channels, copy the link, and paste it into ChatGPT. And there you go. ChatGPT will analyze the whole channel and tell you which niche it belongs to, what kind of videos they make, what topics they use, what type of audience they target, and everything else. This way, you'll get a full breakdown of the channel, and ChatGPT will also understand what kind of channel we are planning to start. Alright, now that ChatGPT understands it, let's begin the video creation process. First, we'll create a perfectly branded channel. For that, let's ask ChatGPT for the name. Prompt: give me 10 unique YouTube channel name ideas based on the name Elderly Wisdom. You'll find this full prompt in my Google Doc, and there we go. ChatGPT has suggested some names. Now pick one of those or ask it to generate more. Once we finalize the name, the next step is to generate the channel logo and banner. For my channel, I've chosen the name Elder Flame. Now we'll write the channel description. To do this, just copy the prompt from my Google Doc, replace it with your own channel name, and give it to ChatGPT. It will give you a nice short description in return. Next is the channel logo. For that, you need to give ChatGPT a specific prompt. You can either take a screenshot from the video or simply copy the prompt from my Google Doc. I've already added it there for you. And there we go. ChatGPT will give us an image prompt to generate the logo. Now use that prompt with any AI image generator tool to create the logo. So let's copy this prompt. Now I'm using a tool called Skyreels AI to generate the image. With this tool you can not only create images, but also generate AI videos, up to 30 seconds long. That's amazing, right? And there are many more features too, which we'll talk about later. I chose this tool because we can generate the image here and then directly convert it into a video. But for now, we're only going to create the logo. So you need to select Generate Image from the options. Then paste your prompt into the prompt box. From the aspect ratio options, choose 1:1. And from the style options, select Realistic. Then hit Generate. Here's the result. Pick the one you like and download it. Now do the same thing to generate the channel banner prompt with ChatGPT. Copy that prompt and paste it here in Skyreels, then hit Generate. And there we go. Our channel banner is also ready. Now update your channel with the logo, banner, and description. That means the branding part of our channel is complete. So now let's move on to the next step. Alright, now we'll create a video for the channel. To create a video, the first thing we need is video ideas. So just follow the steps exactly how I teach you. First, go to a channel. Then copy the topics of that channel just like this. Now go to ChatGPT and give it this prompt. Just analyze these topics and wait for my second command. Now paste the topics you copied into ChatGPT. Try to give as many topics as possible so it can understand things better. And there we go. ChatGPT will analyze all the topics and understand each video title. Now you need to write this prompt. Now, considering the same niche and storytelling style, give me 100 video ideas for my YouTube channel focused on old age wisdom and life tips. And just like that, ChatGPT gave us 100 video ideas in a few seconds. They were also neatly divided into categories like health, mental and emotional well-being, daily routines, sleep habits, and more. So this way you can generate as many video topics as you want using ChatGPT. And yes, ChatGPT has already saved all these topics into your Google Doc, which you can use anytime. So guys, if your AI Maskman is doing all this for you, won't you give me a like and leave a comment? Alright, so now that we have the topics, let's move on to the next step. Generating the script. Now to get a perfect script that doesn't sound AI generated, just follow exactly what I say. First, you need to take the transcripts of popular videos from this channel. In the video, you'll find the transcript option in the description. Click on that. Then a transcript box will open on the side. Copy that transcript, come back to ChatGPT and write, "Just analyze these scripts." You need to give ChatGPT transcripts from 2 to 3 videos like this. Why is this step important? Because this helps ChatGPT avoid giving you an AI-sounding script. Now I've already given you the script prompt in the Google Doc. Just add your video topic into that prompt and give it to ChatGPT. And ChatGPT will give you a natural-sounding script along with image prompts and even video prompts to convert those images into scenes. For every scene, it will give you 3 image prompts. And you can ask it to generate more if you want, just by updating the prompt. You can also modify the script however you like. If you want to make any paragraph longer or more detailed, just read through the full script carefully, understand it, and make your changes. If we look at example channels, they mostly use only stock footage, along with narration and subtitles in their videos. You can follow that style if you want. Just go to Pixabay to collect stock footage and then edit it. But in my opinion, why should we do what everyone else is doing? Let's try something unique. That's why I'm planning to create AI images for every scene, and also AI videos, so I can stand out from my competitors. Alright then, let's head back to the Sky Reels tool. We'll copy the prompt from here, and paste it into Sky Reels to generate our content. This time, in the ratio settings, you need to select 16:9. If you want an image that looks like a specific character, you can upload that image and then choose Character Master from the options. Then hit Generate. It will create an image that looks similar to the character you uploaded, just like you can see here. Now let's convert this image into a video. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt, then paste it here in Sky Reels. This tool also allows you to add effects and lip sync to your video, but we don't need that right now, so we'll skip it. Now choose how many seconds long you want your video to be. You can generate videos up to 30 seconds long, then hit Create. And there we go, our video is ready. Just download it from here. Now we'll generate the next image and then convert that into a video too. You can either generate all your images first and then convert them into videos one by one, or do it one image and one video at a time. This is the process you'll need to continue. Until you've generated all the images and videos using Sky Reels AI, keep following the process. You can find link in the description of this tool. Once you've generated all the images and videos, now let's move on to the next step. Alright, now we need a good voiceover for our story. For that, go to 11 Labs. There, go to the voice library and choose a voice from the narrative and story section. For my video, I'm choosing the Nox Dark Voice 2. Now just paste your script into the box and hit Generate. And that's it. Download the audio track. And now our voiceover part is complete. So let's move on to the next and final step, editing. But wait. Before we move ahead, I have created a full course on how to succeed on YouTube with AI, and this course have everything that you need to start your YouTube journey. In my 10 years of experience, I have built several channels for me and my clients, and everything that I learned in these 10 years is shared on this course. You will also get group coaching calls every week from me directly, and a community of like-minded people whom you can network and grow your business. I'm giving away this course and coaching for just $149 for lifetime. You don't need to pay any monthly fees like other YouTube gurus, and also I won't sell other teaching for higher price. You pay $149 and you get access to my course and coaching for lifetime. The link is in the description. Now gets back to the video. For editing, I'm going to use the CapCut desktop app, but you can use any editing software you prefer. First, import all the videos, images, and the voiceover, then bring the voiceover onto the timeline. You can adjust its volume and speed from here. Now, one by one, start adding the videos and images in sync with the script. To extend a clip's length, just reduce its speed. Now follow exactly how I'm showing you. Go to Effects and apply the Black Noise 2 effect across the whole video. Also add the Glow 2 effect and set the glow size to up to 20. Next, go to Text and generate auto captions. In the Templates section, choose big fonts with simple animations. Remember, this video is made for an older audience, so don't use fast-moving or overly funky visuals. Edit everything in a calm and easy-to-follow style. Lastly, add transitions between each and every clip. Use smooth ones like dissolve, mix, black fade, or white fade. And that's it, guys. And that's how your video is fully ready to be uploaded. Video, from topic research to editing, without showing your face or using your voice. Now, let's take a look at the video we created. But before that, if you haven't liked and subscribed to AI Maskman's videos yet, please do it now. Now enjoy the video.
Have you ever sat in a perfectly quiet room and felt like the silence was screaming at you? You've raised a family, worked a lifetime, maybe even said goodbye to someone you loved. And now, at 65 or older, you find yourself alone. But here's the truth. Living alone doesn't have to mean being lonely. In this video, we'll talk about how to build a life filled with joy, connection, and purpose, even if the house is quiet. Because the best chapters of your life might just be the ones you write alone. The first step is to stop fearing the silence. Solitude is only scary when we don't know what to do with it. But silence can also be peace, stillness, reflection. Take time each morning to sip your tea or coffee with no distractions. Journal, meditate, breathe. The world will rush again soon enough. But you get to be still. You don't have to fill your day for anyone else anymore. So create a rhythm that reflects what you love. Whether it's walking in the park, painting, learning an instrument, or dancing in your kitchen, do something every day that makes you smile just for you. This is your time, not to fade, but to flourish. Loneliness often comes not from being alone, but from feeling unseen, and today you don't have to leave home to feel seen. Join an online class, chat in a book group, video call your grandkids. Technology might feel overwhelming, but once you learn, it opens a whole world. You're not just surviving, you're connecting.